Hi, Keith Collins, Market Leader, Movement Mortgage. I want to talk about our seller buy-down strategy. Are you a listing agent right now with a property that's sitting a little bit longer than you want it to and you're considering a price reduction? Or are you currently in negotiation with a buyer and a seller and there's a gap between what the seller wants and the buyer wants? This is a strategy that I think might provide a solution for your problem. It's our seller buy-down strategy. It's something that we used 8 to 10 years ago when we were in a market that I think is similar to where we're at right now. And that is a market that's neutral. Not a buyer's market, not a seller's market, but a market where buyers and sellers need to mutually come together and agree upon a price that works for both parties. I'm having a conversation with buyers right now, and it looks a little bit like this. I really want to get a deal on the house. And that deal in their mind represents a significant reduction in the listed price of the property. But when we dive a little bit further, we identify that what they really want is the lowest possible payment. And then I ask, what if I could show you a strategy where the lowest price in the home doesn't necessarily always mean the lowest payment on the property, and we introduce a seller buy-down strategy? One where we ask the seller to give us a seller credit, typically around 3% of the purchase price, and we use that to permanently buy down the interest rate on the property instead of do a significant price reduction on the home. And I think that's where we bridge this gap. I presented this scenario to a real estate agent the other day, and she said, I have two scenarios right now, two transactions right now, where this could potentially save the transactions. One buyer, one seller. And what I'm putting up on the screen right now is that scenario. So what we had is a buyer that wanted a specific payment and a seller that needed to net a specific amount. And the gap between the two parties was anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000. You'll see here across the board, we have a similar payment, around $1,860 to $1,900 a month for total mortgage payment, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and the HOA. And then we have three different prices, $370, $390, and $395. In these scenarios, the $370 gets the buyer the payment that they want, but that does not get the seller what they want to net. In the $390 and $395, it gets the buyer's payment a lot closer to what they want, and it gets the seller a lot closer to what they want to net. And this bridges that gap. If you have any questions about the seller buy-down strategy, please reach out into any one of our amazing Movement Mortgage loan officers. Contact me at the number below. Message me, email me. We'd love to help and save some transactions for you real estate agents. Hope you're having a blessed day. It's Keith Collins, Movement Mortgage. Take care.